everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing really great. And in today's video I have created this very sort of everyday kind of makeup look with very minimalistic products which you can wear every single day. And I purposely have not included any kind of foundations or concealers or BB or CC creams and highlighters in this video, because you don't really have the time to do that in the morning, and if you still go with it, you probably end up going overboard with it. So yeah, I have created this look with very minimalistic products, like trust me, very minimalistic products, and I have come up with this look which you can wear every day, any day, and with any outfit, I guess. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so guys, this is what my bare face looks like. I have just washed my face and I have not applied any moisturizer, sunscreen and all. So I'm just gonna do it right now. So firstly, I'm gonna use this my favorite all-time moisturizer, that is the Skin Alive's aloe vera gel. It is basically an aloe vera gel, but I use it as my moisturizer because I have extremely oily skin. It is almost absorbed in my skin now. So let's move on to the sunscreen. And for the sunscreen, again I use this sunscreen by Aroma Magic. It is the aloe vera sunscreen gel. I have raved about it in many of my videos. So I just like to apply it. The sunscreen also has gel formulation, so it becomes really easy for me to work with it, because oily skin people know the struggle, right? Okay, so the sunscreen is well absorbed into my skin now, and I pretty much like to stop it right here. I don't usually go in with concealers and foundations and BB or CC creams. I know a lot of people like to use BB or CC creams on a daily basis, but that doesn't fit with me at all. I don't know what is the reason. Like BB and CC creams tend to make me feel grey, which I don't like. So usse better मैं prefer करती हूँ कि मेरी bare skin ही काफ़ी है. And also I do not have like crazy dark circles or crazy pigmentation that I want to hide, but I know there are a lot of girls out there who like to hide their pigmentation or the extreme dark circles that they have. So what you can do is you just can conceal or spot correct with concealer the darkest areas of your face, but make sure the concealer is the same exact shade as yours and you will be good to go. But yeah, blending is the key, so blend it really well. So yeah, for now, for the winters, I already told you that I just like to stop it right here and then I move on to my eyes and lips. But for the summers, I like to go in with any I can't speak. In the summers, I usually like to go in with an additional step of powdering my face, and for that I either use a compact powder or a loose powder. Both of these kind of adds a little bit coverage to your face, which gives something to your face, and also it helps to keep your face less oily for the rest of the day. So yeah, this is one additional step I like to do, especially in the summers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this Maybelline क्या नाम है इसका, Maybelline Super Fresh, and I just like to take the product right here and lightly buff into my skin. So look at the instant kind of brightness that it gave to my face. And now I just go in with the eyes, with with the eyes. And for that I don't usually do much. I just use two products, that is, one is mascara and the other one is kajal. Okay, so I guess you can clearly see how much of a difference mascara makes. Like, see, ever since I started using mascara, I have not stopped using it, and I just love how it opens up the eyes and makes it look a bit larger. So yeah. And by the way, I have also applied a lip oil so that by the time I complete my eye makeup, my lips are a bit moisturized for the lipstick. Okay, so guys, I am done with applying the mascara on both the eyes, and now I like to go in with an additional step of applying the kajal. And this is something I do it on everyday basis. I'm just a kajal person, and I like to line my waterline with some black pencil. Okay, so this is what I do for my eyes usually when I am heading out for college, etc. So yeah, I don't usually go in with the wing liners because I think that needs so much precision, and we are already in hurry when we are stepping out of our houses. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go in I'm just gonna go in with filling my brows, and for that again, I don't usually do much buzz. I just go in with an eyebrow pencil, and in little strokes I just fill in the gaps. So yeah, I end it up right here, and for the little flush of a color, I don't usually do it on the daily basis, by the way, but if I have extra few minutes in the morning, I do like to go in with a flush of blush, because it really brings back the life to your face. So let me just show you, right? You see how much of life the blush brings instantly without any bronzer or contour, etc. It just enhances the apples of your cheeks a little bit. So yeah, so we are on the last step, that is the lips. And since I have a lip oil on my lips right now, so I'm just gonna remove that, and then I drop things as usual. So yeah, I just remove that, and I just go in with some pink nude or a brown nude. That is like my everyday shade, which I wear to college or anywhere so as you can see, this one is a pink nude and this one is a brown nude. By the way, this lipstick is so underrated. I don't know why nobody talks about it, but this is such a bomb lipstick. This is moisturizing as well as keeps your lips matte. I don't know what is this formula, but I just love it. So I think today I'm gonna go in with this one. Like, this is the shade 79 Caramel. So yeah, this is pretty much what I do for an everyday look. So let me just open my hair up, because मतलब बाल खोल के थोड़ा सा इंसान लगना शुरू होता है ना. Okay, so guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found this helpful, and if you did, then please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.